Hey everyone! The steps I'm about to show you come directly from the technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair workshop, so don't worry, we're going to guide you through fixing it. When turning on the oven, some customers notice that F1 appears on the display and the oven simply doesn't respond. This is usually a sign that the touch panel and control board aren't communicating properly. Workshop technicians explain that when this communication is interrupted, the oven locks certain functions to protect itself, preventing any cycle from starting. In various customer reports, people mention that the error can appear suddenly, even during cooking. Some say, "I was baking, and suddenly F1 appeared and everything stopped." This tells us that it's not always a permanent board problem. It could be caused by a voltage spike or an unstable electrical signal, something that can confuse the system and trigger the error. It's also common for loose wires or connectors between the touch panel and the control board to be the culprit. Several customers report that checking these connections, even temporarily, makes the F1 error disappear. At the workshop, we always say, before replacing expensive parts, make sure everything is connected properly and clean, because often the issue is just a poorly seated cable. In more complicated situations, the touch panel or control board may be damaged due to wear or manufacturing defects. Some customers report that even after checking connections and restarting the oven, F1 persists. In these cases, Whirlpool technical bulletins recommend replacing the affected component to restore communication and prevent the error from returning. As one technician at the workshop reminds us, if you've already checked the cables and F1 is still there, you'll probably need to replace the board or panel. There are no shortcuts.